1. Why it matters. Did you know that every year, millions of people worldwide suffer from heart attacks, and many of them could have been prevented or treated earlier if they'd recognized the warning signs? A heart attack happens when the blood flow to your heart is blocked, often by a blood clot, and every minute counts. Acting fast can make the difference between life and death. 2. Chest pain or discomfort. First and most common, chest pain or discomfort. This might feel like pressure, heaviness, tightness, or a squeezing sensation in the center or left side of your chest. It might last more than a few minutes, or come and go. If you ever feel this, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms we'll discuss, seek medical help immediately. 3. Pain in other parts of the body. Second, don't just focus on the chest. Pain can also radiate to your shoulders, arms, especially the left arm, neck, jaw, back, or even the stomach. Some people mistake this for muscle pain, indigestion, or even dental issues. If this pain is unusual or combined with chest discomfort, it could be a heart attack. 4. Shortness of breath. Third, shortness of breath. You might feel like you can't catch your breath, even at rest or with minimal physical activity. Sometimes this happens before chest pain, especially in women. Don't ignore this sign. If it feels sudden or severe, call emergency services. 5. Cold sweat and nausea. Fourth, pay attention to sudden cold sweats or clammy skin. This often accompanies nausea or vomiting, especially in women. Many people think they have the flu or food poisoning, but it could actually be a heart attack. If you feel sweaty, nauseous, and weak, don't wait, get medical help right away. Lightheadedness or dizziness. Finally, feeling lightheaded or dizzy, like you might faint, can also be a warning sign, especially when paired with chest pain or shortness of breath. If you suddenly feel faint or like you might collapse, it's time to call 911 or your local emergency number immediately. Final thoughts and tips. Remember, not every heart attack looks the same. Some people, especially women, older adults, and people with diabetes, may have milder or different symptoms. That's why it's crucial to listen to your body and never ignore these warning signs. If in doubt, get checked out. It's always better to be safe than sorry. I hope this video has helped you understand the 5 early warning signs of a heart attack. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos. If you have any questions or personal experiences to share, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.